Yeah, he hasn't been here in a couple weeks.
I know, I missed you last week.
I know. Oh, but Cameron, I don't know if you want to do that. It's supposed to be dry. You bring it back? Bring it back here.
He's a worker.
Go clean the stalls. There's your first customer. He's like, can I have a cleaning, please? I need a cleaning.
Yeah.
There.
That's Michael's house.
Nobody
Michael's
home.
outside. Honey, stay out here. Come on.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Heck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where Michael lives.
Let's go see Peanut.
Go see Peanut. Where's Peanut live?
There's Peanut. Say hi to Peanut. Hi, Mr. Peanut. He's
Hi,
good,
Mr. Peanut.
Yeah, good Peanut. He's so soft. Mm. Oh, no, gentle. Gentle. Why
Hi,
did you do
Mr.
that?
Peanut.
Sorry about that, bud. That didn't hurt him, did it?